I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we covered this week that you need to read. The gold price continues to hold above $1,700 per ounce, and this week INN had the chance to speak with E.B. Tucker about what could be next. Tucker, who's a director at Metallo Royalty and Streaming, correctly predicted that gold would hit $1,500 last year, and for this year, his call is that it will break its all-time high. INN last spoke with Tucker at PDAC, and at the time he didn't have a specific view on how gold would get to that level. It's now 2 months later, and he has a clearer roadmap on how the move will happen. In his opinion, it will come quickly, with gold making 2 big moves up before moving past its highest point ever. Aside from that, it's quarterly results season, and a number of major gold miners have released numbers over the past week. A key question since mines started closing due to COVID-19 restrictions has been how much companies' production would be affected, and now it's possible to at least start to get an idea. Looking at the top gold miners by market cap, Newmont, Barrick Gold, and Agnico Eagle Mines, none are on track to meet their original 2020 production guidance. All 3 have pulled their quotas, although not for the same reasons. While Newmont and Agnico Eagle did so due to COVID-19 developments, Barrick lowered its expectations after having to shut down its Porgera mine in Papua New Guinea. It's worth noting that some experts have suggested that Q2 results will tell the real story about gold production and the coronavirus, so there may be more to know in the next few months. It's the first week of May, so we asked our Twitter followers if they plan to sell in May and go away or keep trading. It's a familiar investing adage, and it centers on the idea that returns tend to be much higher from November to April than they are from May to October. However, the strategy has been losing traction in recent years, and the vast majority of respondents said they will not be taking an investing vacation this year. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. In cannabis this week, INN spoke with experts about how COVID-19 may impact the industry in the long term, especially in the U.S., where marijuana remains federally illegal. Opinions are split on whether the coronavirus will help or hinder legalization efforts in the country, with market watchers coming down on both sides of the debate. Charles Tark of Faircourt Asset Management said the fact that cannabis businesses have been deemed essential in more than half the states in the U.S. is a positive sign. However, Rishi Malkani of Deloitte and Nawan Butt of Purpose Investments both said that with so many other virus-related initiatives taking precedent, legalization efforts will likely lose steam. That's all for this week. Tune in again next week when we tell you more about what's going on in the resource and cannabis spaces. In the meantime, you can follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next time.